I'm sick of waiting for the right word to come to me. Feels like I'm wasting time away. Well, she's got her hair up top in a messy bun, 1,000 flyaways astray. When the sun comes down, she takes off her golden crown.
So obviously in this video I'm going to be showing you guys my nighttime routine. I usually am pretty simple. I feel like I don't try and go all out. If I do, it's usually going to be on the weekends if I really want to do my skincare and really want to go like kind of be extra. But this is just like kind of what my basic nighttime routine is, and I usually, after I take a shower, I like to take off my makeup just because not everything is always taken off the first time. So I like to use, this is the micellar cleansing water. I don't think I'm saying that right, but I just use this to get rid of the extra makeup that might be on my eyes or my eyebrows or just anywhere that didn't come off.
Comes down. She takes off her golden crown that no one's meant to see. There's nobody else under.
So now that all my makeup is off, I'm going to be using the CeraVe moisturizing lotion on my face. I find that after I take a shower, I am just so dry. So I like to use some kind of moisturizer on my face and my body as soon as I get out of the shower. And this one I really like. I've been trying a few new kind of lotions and moisturizers, but I feel like the CeraVe one does a really good job, especially because the one I like to use has sunscreen. So when it's the morning or if I'm going out to work, I just like to put this on as well, just so that my skin is not as dry as it usually is.
Well, she said it never even occurred to me that I could be anything but fine. It's not like we've been left out romantically. It's always the wrong place, wrong time. But when the sun comes down, she takes off her golden crown that no one's meant to see. There's nobody else. There's nobody else. There's nobody else under me.
just cleaned my whole room, which makes me feel a lot better because I can never sleep when my room is just cluttered. So I just did some cleaning. All of my skincare and stuff is done, luckily. So I'm just gonna do some journaling. And journaling, I have found, has been really helpful, especially for me because I always tend to forget things. So I just find writing it all down just like that night to be really helpful, especially if I need to remember what I did that week or for whatever reason. But I also like journaling because it's kind of a way to just reflect on what went on that week, or just to write down what you're grateful for or any reflections that you have. And I found it to be really, really soothing and relaxing, especially before you go to bed, just because it lets you get all of your thoughts that are in your head onto paper. And so that's what I've just been doing, and I'll probably do it again tonight. And then if I'm not journaling, I'm probably either reading or watching TV if it's the weekends, but I try not to do that as much.